Wanna have some coffee?
Sure. I would have a cafe latte. What about you?
Dunno much about coffee. I always go for espresso.
Good old espresso. It's pure coffee in liquid form. Espresso is made by forcing a very small amount of very hot water through finely ground coffee beans.
What about Caffe Latte?
Caffe latte is Italian for milk coffee. It consists of 1/3 espresso, 2/3 heated milk and just about a centimeter of milk foam.
Sounds similar to cappuccino.
Yeah, similar, but the difference between a latte and a cappuccino is the milk content. Latte has a lot of milk, whereas cappuccino is a strong coffee. Cappuccino has 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 wet foamed milk.
I am happy with espresso.
If you are looking for a coffee drink with much less milk, you can opt for the macchiato. So an espresso macchiato is mostly espresso, marked with a small amount of steamed milk and foam, for those who love a rich, bold taste. Espresso con panna, which means espresso with cream in Italian, is a single or double shot of espresso, topped with whipped cream. Ristretto is a very short shot of espresso, and ristretto is concentrated espresso. Americano is espresso with hot water. As the story goes, American GIS would dilute espresso during World War II by adding hot water to it, thus the name Americano. If you add hot water first and then add espresso, it will be long black. The Caffe Lungo is similar to a Caffe Americano or a long black. However, instead of adding water to an espresso, the water is brewed.
But you like your coffee with milk and sugar, don't you?
Yeah. Flat white is similar to latte but has less froth and milk than a latte. This results in a stronger drink that uses a smaller serving size to deliver the same amount of coffee. A Caffe Mocha is a variant of a cafe latte. Like a latte, it is typically 1/3 espresso and 2/3 steamed milk, but a portion of chocolate is also added, typically in the form of a chocolate syrup. Caffe Marocchino is made from espresso, steamed milk, and a dusting of cocoa powder.
Oh, it's too hot. What's for the summer?
Frappé. It is a foam-covered iced coffee drink, made from spray-dried instant coffee. 1 or 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, sugar, and a little water are blended to form a foam and then ice cubes are added. Freddo espresso is a foam-covered iced coffee made from espresso. Granita con Panna has frozen espresso with whipped cream.
Is there anything with alcohol?
Of course, Irish coffee. It is a cocktail consisting of hot coffee, Irish whiskey, and sugar, stirred and topped with cream. The coffee is drunk through the cream. For espresso lovers, there is Corretto. It consists of a shot of espresso with a small amount of brandy. Hope you won't have a problem the next time you order a coffee at an exotic coffee shop.
And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the Epic World.